This appliance is a high heat grill, an indirect oven, a propane griddle, and a wood or charcoal smoker all rolled into one. From a company you've probably never heard of. It's time to meet the Fusion Grill from Black Earth Grills. I'm David Gafford, and here at the BBQ Lab, we test outdoor cooking and outdoor living gear to help you decide what's worth a spot on your deck or patio. We've been testing the Fusion Grill for 5 months, and we've really put it through its paces. Black Earth Grills is a Canadian company making some truly inventive cooking appliances, and this is our first experience with a Black Earth product. In this video, we will test grilling, season the griddle top and give it a full breakfast and burger test, and smoke a rack of beef ribs, all on this single appliance. When I first laid eyes on the Fusion Grill, I was immediately drawn to the 304 stainless steel exterior that sure doesn't look like stainless steel. The finish is an embossed fingerprint guard material, and guests at the lab are always asking about the finish on this grill. I like that the grill is double walled, which is useful when you're fighting high winds or trying to make the best use of smoke when cooking low and slow. It also means that the lid is cool-ish to the touch, even when it's at full heat on the inside. On that note, let's take a look inside. I love this upper shelf that when you shut the lid, rotates. You can see that it swings back out of the way, which I really, really like, and it's easy to take off. So if we wanted to take this off, you just take your grate off, and then you just pull this off, and then you'd be able to take this, lift it off, no problem. As far as the grates go, we're talking about a grate that has 2 sides. This first side is a flat sear side, and the second side is a almost a smaller, almost triangular side. This is the side I would use for smoking. This is the side I would use for searing. So pretty happy with the grates on these. They seem like they're cast iron, quite heavy. I'm not at all mad about these. These are great. What's next is the drip tray. This drip tray or flame tamer, I'm not sure what you want to call it, but this is something you see in a lot of gas grills that usually run this way. They usually run over each burner. This is one massive unit though. So if we pick this up and come to take this out, you can see how big that piece is. All one piece. It has some nice drilled out holes here to be able to let flame through, but it's going to keep the grease from completely dripping through and starting a fire. This is a massive flame tamer for this grill. Underneath here, we have the actual burners themselves. If you look, you can see these are H burners, if you look at the configuration, and there are 2 of them, with one on this side, one on that side. They are put in here with some pieces of metal to help keep them from sliding around or bumping around as you're moving things. But that is the bottom of the cooking aspect of this grill. If you look a little further down though, you can see underneath that drawer that we have where we're putting wood or we're putting charcoal or we're putting different things to sit over that major main gas burner. That is the gas burner that ignites all of the logs and charcoal and things that you put in this grill. And so that's what we have for the bottom of this grill. If you look on the left-hand side and the right-hand side, you can see that there are some stainless steel baffle plates that are making it so the heat from that burner goes straight up and not to the sides, but they are angled in such a way that you're still going to get grease to drip down into the center as opposed to pool on the sides. If you're interested in any of the gear we're using in today's video, make sure you check out the description below. I'll even show you a discount code that you can use to get a free griddle top with your Black Earth Grills purchase, so head on over and check it out if you like saving money. I have a group of about 15 guys that meet here at the lab once a week, and for the first test of the Fusion Grill, we use the 2 horsepower Meat Your Maker meat grinder to turn a brisket into burgers. There's something so good about a fresh ground brisket burger that you should definitely try someday. But the Fusion Grill didn't have any trouble putting a great looking sear on about 30 burgers that night. I also fired up the grill for some boneless chicken thighs for the family, and you know we had to season them with our feathered formula spice blend. It's sweet and smoky, and chicken just loves it. When I turned the chicken to the second side, I found caramelized barbecue rub and some great looking sear marks. This grill doesn't have any problems grilling our favorite foods. Before I show you the other cooks we did on this grill, I want to take a second to give a shout out to Shane Sapp, who backed our Kickstarter in November. It's thanks to our backers like Shane that we now have our first ever spice blends available on our website. Shane, I hope you've been enjoying your new seasonings, and we can't thank you enough for jumping on board and supporting what we do here. This unit isn't just a grill, and it was time to test out the charcoal and wood smoking capability of the Fusion grill. I grabbed a package of beef ribs from the freezer, thawed them out, and found that this rack had a nasty butcher's mark in the meat. It's still going to be delicious, but come on, guys. When I'm cooking beef, it's our essential equation seasoning that's my go-to, and this rack of ribs can take a healthy amount. To fire up the Fusion grill, I'm using a split of cherry wood and a handful of lump charcoal. Once that's in the removable drawer, the lower burner lights the fuel in the drawer, and I can turn off the burner and let the charcoal and wood do the cooking. Every 45 minutes, I checked the drawer and added more wood and charcoal as necessary to keep the smoke and heat levels where I wanted them. And here is what the beef ribs looked like before we wrapped them in foil to push through to our final temperature. 90 minutes later, we hit our mark of 203 to 205 degrees internal and let our ribs rest until dinner. Beef ribs truly are one of the best bites in barbecue, and the Fusion grill proved that it has low and slow capability. However, it's worth noting that if you're not looking for smoke, you can also use this grill like an oven using that lower burner. It's a great way to cook indirect with no risk of flare-ups. In just a second, I'm going to show you how you can get a free griddle with your purchase of the Fusion grill, but I want to pass a question off to you. If you're looking for one grill that can do it all, grilling, smoking, griddling, using it like an oven, what's the most important function for you and why? Tell me in the comments below what's most important in a multitasker, and let's continue the discussion in the comments. The griddle top comes unseasoned from Black Earth Grills, so the first thing is to get it hot and start applying even coats of oil all over the surface. I like to use a flat-bladed spatula and a paper towel, and after 4 or 5 applications of oil and letting it burn off, the griddle is ready for breakfast. Hash browns were first, and we're using a bag of frozen hash browns to keep things easy. Bacon is next, and this package of bacon is the one I should have left at the store because this is just falling apart. Oh well, it'll still be delicious, just not as pretty. The top rack kept our bacon warm as we dropped on our over-medium eggs. We didn't have the budget in this video for more than 3 eggs. We treat those things like they're made of gold around here, so everyone gets half an egg when the video is done. We finished up with some French toast, and we got an awesome color on each slice from the griddle top. The kids are just going to see French toast and forget about everything else, which means I get a whole egg tonight. After cooking on this griddle, I don't know how to explain how much I like it, other than to say that it feels like it was designed to be a griddle, but it's not just a griddle. Many multitasker cooking appliances have a griddle attachment that is really small and feels like it's an add-on that wasn't really thought through. Now that's not the case here. This griddle functions like a full-blown griddle, not just an add-on, and the heat coverage was strong across the surface. There's still a lot of things that we couldn't cover in this video, like the fold-in and removable shelves. There are 2 thick wood cutting boards that sit on the slide-in rails, functioning as the side shelves. Just pick up the board, carry it inside, and transporting food from the grill has never been easier. Now let's address the price. This isn't your run-of-the-mill thin sheet metal grill, and it's priced accordingly. It's double-walled, 304 stainless, and that isn't available in big box stores because it's over their allowed price point. The Fusion grill is priced right around $3,000, and here's what that comes with. Shipping is included, and that's a multiple 100-pound pallet with a fully assembled grill being dropped off in your driveway. It comes with a cover, it comes with an upper rack, and it comes with 2 removable cutting boards that are also the side shelves. If you're in the market for an all-in-one grill and you have the budget for double-walled 304 Canadian-made stainless, Black Earth would like to invite you to head on over to their website and take a look. If you would like a free griddle top with your purchase, you just need to add the code BBQLAB into the order note section when you add the grill to your cart. You can choose from the full griddle top like we cooked on, or the smaller 1/3 size cast iron griddle if you'd like to have 2 grill grates and a griddle in the grill at all times. I've been thoroughly impressed with this first grill from Black Earth Grills, and if you want us to put another model through the BBQ Lab series of tests, let us know down in the comments below. I'm David Gafford. Behind the camera is my incredible wife, Melissa. Use that code to get yourself a free griddle with your purchase, and we will see you on the next one.